Alright, so if you've seen our other videos, you've already, been introduced to the Ruger Mark IV that we got for Christmas. We're going to go through installing the safety cable that comes with it. Obviously, new in the package. Pretty nice cable. Of course, keyed. See, very flexible. A lot of times you'll see folks with their gun install these incorrectly behind the trigger in an attempt to prevent the trigger from firing. On this particular gun, you actually install it into this area here. Now what this is, there's a locating pin here from the lower to the barrel, and that's a cutout to slide around that locating pin. But you actually want to install the lock in that area, at least this cable lock that comes with the gun. Of course, lock it, get the key out. This is going to prevent you from being able to close the slide. You'll see here, can't close the slide. Obviously can't close put one in the chamber, or you can put one partially in the chamber, but you wouldn't be able to fire in that case. So just a little bit of safety advice there. That installation does actually go in this location, not behind the trigger. As always, thanks for watching. Be sure to stay safe out there. Like and subscribe for more of our content, and we'll be happy to bring it to you. Again, thanks for watching.